Welcome to Dayspring Trailers. Today we are looking at a brand new Cargo King, 6 foot wide by 10 foot long on a 3,500 pound axle. This is what we call our Nomad version. We've added some extra stuff to it. As we walk around, I'll show you. First of all, you know, it's finished in our beautiful black. If you walk around the side, first thing I want to point out is this crossfit, and I'm going to show you some more. If you go around the other side, the front, it has the upgraded 24-inch stone guard on the front. It is a V-nose, which is not included in that 10-foot box. On the side, we put a nice size 36-inch RV style door with the handle with a deadbolt lock. Of course, all the lights are LED. This is the other crossfit I want to show you go around. The back, of course, is a ramp trailer. So you ramp when you walk in, walk out, finished very nicely inside. We walk inside, I want to point out a couple options. One, this is the light switch for the dome lights. When you walk in, you can hit it, get in. This is that crossfit that I was showing you from the outside. So there's one up high here, and then there's one low back here. So when this trailer's closed up, because we're in the Northwest, there's always air flowing to keep the moisture out and keep it dry, and the fumes to get them out from the outside. I also want to point on the door, this is the inside deadbolt lock. So if you're inside, you can get out from the, without going around with the key from the inside. Let's walk back out. Other thing I want to point out is this has drop jacks. That's why I was walking in and out with no problem. Here's what they look like down here. And those just pop up underneath the trailer, underneath the frame, so they're not going to get drug off. Ramp door, I'm just going to use one finger and lift it up. Pretty much closes by itself. And it's got these cam bar locks on it. As you can see, a nice LED big tail light in the back. Nice big LED license plate light. And there's light up on top. We can get this any colors, more options, whatever you need. If you have questions about this or making changes for one for yourself, reach out to us at dayspringtrailers.com or give us a call at 503-666-7300. Thank you for taking a look and have a wonderful day.